Presenting Boult Audio ProBass X1-air in-ear earphones. It is available in black, blue and red color variants. These earphones come with 2 extra pair of earbuds, charging micro USB cable and user manual. The product dimensions are 15 x 2 x 18 centimeters and it weighs 89 grams. These wireless earphones feature a flexible and comfortable silicone neckband design for easy all-day wear. The magnetic earbuds make it easy to carry and store. It is also IPX5 water resistant. Boult Audio ProBass X1-air comes with built-in micro woofers that offer extra bass, resulting in an immersive audio experience. They also have passive noise isolating aerospace grade AL drivers, ensuring easy operation even in noisy environments. Boult Audio ProBass X1-air offers playback time of up to 10 hours and a standby time of up to 3 months. These earphones come with inbuilt microphone for your calling needs. It is also voice assistant enabled. Boult Audio ProBass X1 features inline controls to ensure hassle-free usage. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.